We don't eat hamburger helper no more because I'm getting ready to show you how to make one of the best one-pot meals there is. And before we even get started, y'all always looking for quick and easy plant-based meals. And I have one that's just for you that has all the flavor. And we are going to be using some Beyond Steaks, so don't lose your life. You can go ahead and get some jackfruit or mushrooms if you choose to. But we're going to start by boiling our noodles in some salted water. Next, we're going to dice up our veggies. And I'm using some onion, red bell pepper, green bell pepper, and jalapeno. You can omit it for spice. Now, that is the best season that you ever had. That is my Just Magic all-purpose season. You can get a link in the bio. And we're going to saute that in some olive oil. Add in some garlic paste, then add in our vegan steak bites. Now, these steak bites need some flavor, so we're going to add in some Red House seasoning, some vegan Worcestershire sauce, and some Tabasco sauce. Next, we add in our sliced mushrooms. I'm using portobellos, but feel free to use a white butter mushroom as well. I'm going to use some plant-based cream cheese, and this one is oat milk based, so it's super creamy and absolutely delicious. Then I'll use some vegan heavy whipping cream. Next, I'm going to give that a nice stir, and then add in some more mozzarella and some Red House seasoning. Now, this is a bonus recipe that you didn't even know you needed. Take some pita chips, dip it, baby. You got a Philly cheesesteak dip. Where they do that at? Right here on Chef Joya page. Next, we take our penne pasta and we put it into our sauce and add a little bit more of that Just Magic seasoning because we don't want no bald head food nowhere. Give it a nice mix around. And when I tell you this one-pot meal is so creamy, it's absolutely delicious. It's going to be one of your best weeknight meals you ever had. Make sure you share this with someone who will actually love this. And be sure to be following Chef Joya for the best vegan recipes there is. Ciao.